Good morning, dear students. As in previous class, we will studied about different type of quadrilateral. Okay. Now today we will study about a special type of quadrilateral named parallelogram. So firstly we see what is the definition of parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. In the parallelogram, ABCD is shown in the figure. AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. This is a parallelogram. Actually, in this diagram, AB is parallel to DC, BC is parallel to AD. Okay, and second is that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Here if I say AB is equal to CD, this means that the length of side AB is equal to length of side CD and length of side BC is equal to length of side AD. Now in second case, if I say that AB is parallel to CD, this means that when we start AB on in this side increasing and CD on this side increasing, then the gap between AB and CD is same. Or in precisely we says that the line AB and CD on going forward, they do not meet each other. Okay. Now we see that what is the property in a parallelogram. If a quadrilateral is given, then what is the property? Then we can say that this quadrilateral is parallelogram or not. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This means that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Second property, opposite angles are equal. This means that angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. And third property, each diagonal bisect the parallelogram. This means that when we join A to C, then two triangles make ADC and ABC. These are equal in area and same to same. Okay. Now next property is that prove that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Then the same property is that when we join A to C, then first triangle, second triangle, these are same to same. Okay, no need to prove. Next property is that prove that if a pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. If a quadrilateral is given, first case, opposite sides are equal, second case, and opposite sides are parallel, then this quadrilateral must be parallelogram, or you can say that it is parallelogram. For example, if four sides close shape is given, then this means that it is quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal, third case, opposite sides are parallel, then you can directly say that it is parallelogram. And one more important property is that angle A plus angle B, sum of angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. And angle A is equal to plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This means that we can say that sum of adjacent angle in a parallelogram is 180 degree. Now we will start important question. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:2. The measures of R angles of the parallelogram are. Let ABCD is a given parallelogram. Let A and B are the adjacent angle which are in the ratio 1:2. Then we know that if angles are given in ratio, then converted into angle we multiply all the ratio number multiplied by x. Then first angle is x into 1, x, and second angle is x into 2, 2x. Now as we know that A and B are adjacent angle, so sum of angle A and angle B is 180 degree. So x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, 3x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 60 degree. So angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 180 degree, and as we know that angle A is equal to angle C, so angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to also 60 degree. Now angle B is equal to angle D, so angle B is 120 degree, so angle D is also 120 degree. So our option number B is right. Now next question, the ratio of sides of a parallelogram is 3:5 and the perimeter is 48 centimeter. Find the sides of the parallelogram. As we know that perimeter is the sum of all sides of a parallelogram, and the formula for perimeter of a parallelogram is twice bracket AB plus BC, twice multiplied by sum of adjacent side. Now sides are in the ratio, so sides are 3x and 5x. 3 let AB is equal to 3x and BC is equal to 5x. Now by the formula of perimeter, 3x plus 5x plus 3x plus 5x, because both these sides are equal, so perimeter is sum of all side AB plus BC plus CD plus D is equal to 48 centimeter, which implies that 3x plus 5x plus 3x plus 5x 48, sum 16x is equal to 48, x is equal to 3 centimeter. So AB is equal to 9 centimeter and BC is equal to 15 centimeter. So it is our topic on parallelogram. Okay, thank you, have a good day.